near my boy that no one come borrow girl close. I mean, no see the boy if he call me out, me name go down the road. Come on, easy forget and if I
Jesus, why? What a place, cool, very cool, very cool. I'm wearing a mask just because I'm outside and COVID is on an all-time rise. Oh, Lord. So right now I'm going to the beauty supply store and get a few things because I'm traveling. Oh my gosh, I forgot to do my edges. Bruh. Oh God, I always forget to do my edges. If I sound like I'm out of breath, it's because I'm walking really fast because it's cold. Okay, so I need hair scrunchies. Oh my God, they raised up the price for wig caps. They used to be 99 cents and now they're $1. Oh no, here they are. I'll pick up the dark brown. They have hair gels. I should pick up a little bottle just because I try not to use so much hair gel. As much as you see my hair stiff right now. I use hair gel when I don't have a choice. So this is Chloe. Like I used to work here. This is LK Naturals. My favorite one is, they're sold out. But oh no, here it is Knots Be Gone. The hair detangler. That one's really nice. Camille Rose is also a good line as well. When I'm traveling, I like to grab some of these packs here just because I save luggage space. So I'll get a conditioner. Oh, I'll get this, the custard. And what else? They didn't have everything that I wanted inside there, but that's okay. That is okay. Oh, if people are wondering like where I am, and if you're from Toronto, I'm in Scarborough, and where I just was, Chloe. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna head to where am I gonna go? Debating if I should go Walmart. Not too sure. But the next time I pick up my camera, oh yeah, tonight I have to get ready for the party. Okay. So I'm just debating on what I should do. The next time you see me, I'll be at a party. Okay? All right, so I'm at the mall because I forgot that I needed shoes. Yeah. And party tonight. And I don't think my friend wants me to walk side of her with my Crocs. So, therefore, I will get me some shoes tonight.
Flower. Oh, there's spring.
Yo, these girls are gonna think I'm crazy today. Just in and out of their store. I'm gonna buy the shoes. Good. I came back.
Okay, and I'll grab it for you.
Yeah. I give up looking everywhere.
You can check Marshalls.
They have like old lady shoes.
See, that's what I mean. It's a hit or miss at Marshalls.
Yep. Definitely a miss here.
Jesus Christ. TikTok, that's for the place for the party.
You're not left your friend to get beat up.
Not touching nobody that time. Alright, okay. You can leave if you want.
They would fight, bro. Them call